Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. First of all, you have need to watch the study. The most important thing, watch the video complete because this video is very important. Okay, do not miss any point of this video because if you will understand the whole strategy, then you will never get loss in your trading view. Okay, and watch the complete video, do not miss any point. Okay, it's very important. Okay, I'm telling you again, do not miss any point, otherwise you will lose your money. If you will understand the strategy, you will never get lost in your trading. Okay, so let's start the video. There is a I'm using here just a band lines. Okay, the second thing here I'm using EMA lines. Okay, and the third line is a trend lines here you can see. Okay, so there are a lot of confirmations, but it will definitely will give you the profit, definitely. Okay, so let's start the video. Just a small request, please subscribe my channel and must like video. Okay, there are a lot of sell signal and buy signal, but there are a lot of fake signals, so you have need to be careful and how you can avoid the fake signals. So let's discuss. First of all, this is the most recent entry. First I have need to show you the rules of the entry and each and everything. First thing, the first rule you can say, the first rule, you must get the buy or sell signal. Okay, here you can see the buy signal, so that is your you can say it's just the beginning. Okay, when you got the signal, you have need to make sure the EMA line change its color. Okay, when the EMA line change its color from red to green one, okay, that is point 2. The point 1 is you must get buy or sell signal. Okay, or if you do not get the buy or sell signal, that's fine, but candle must at least touch to the lower band line or upper band line. Okay, so here you can see the candles are touching to the lower band lines. Okay, the second thing, you must get the uh, EMA line change its color. Like this one, EMA is red, but at this candle EMA change its color. So what you have need to go, you have need to go for the open your buy position from this point. Okay, like 58,015, and you have need to take your profit when the price was around or you can say the candle is very candle touch to the upper band line, then you have need to book your profit. Okay, when candle touch to the upper band line, you have need to take your profit. Like here you can see you got the entry 58,015, and you have need to take your profit on 58,322. Okay, after getting the entry, you had need to put your stop loss on the previous low point. Like this one is your stop loss, and you had need to take your profit at this point. Okay, that's fine. Now let's move further, and I have need to show you some entries. Here you can see you got the buy sell signal, that's fine. After getting the sell signal, you have need to make sure the candle, or you can say EMA change its color. Like here you can see the EMA changes color from green to a red one. Okay, that's fine. You, that is your entry point 2. And the third point, very important one, even this color trend color, you can see the trend line is green, sorry, white one, and then it changes color to the blue one. Okay, and that is your extra confirmation. Okay, you, that is your extra confirmation. But here you can see the first point, you got the sell signal or candle touch to the upper band line. The second point, the EMA changes color from green to red one, that's fine. Okay, then after that you have to go to the sell position. You can open your sell position. You have to stop loss here. Your stop loss is here. Okay, this one is your stop loss. Okay, and after that you have need to your entry is around 58,333, and you have need to book the profit when candle touch to the lower band line. Okay, this is the most recent two successful trade. Let's move further. Here you can see this is your buy entry. Okay, put your stop loss here, and your take profit is done. Okay, Okay, let's move further. If you go further, like here, you did not get the sell signal here, but you can see candle is touching to the upper band line. So what you have need to do, you can go for the uh, sell position, and you can see you got another sell position, and the trend line is changing to the blue one. That is your extra confirmation. So you can see that is successful, but at this point you can see this trade is not successful. So what you have need to do, how you can avoid this type of signals? So let me explain. When you can see, let me explain. Here you can see you are getting buy signal. Okay, that is fine because the EMA line is red one. So at this candle you can see EMA change its color from red to green ones. So this is your entry point. Okay, this one is your entry point. This candle is your entry point, but you have to watch it like uh, this candle is so big. First thing. The second thing here, it's very close to the upper band line. So if you go for the buy entry, you can book hardly a very small profit, hardly a very small profit. So you do not need to go for the buy position. Okay, you have need to avoid this type of signals. Okay, here you can see, let me show you. We can discuss this one first. We have to discuss this one. Like here the EMA changes color from the red to the red one. So this is your take profit here, stop loss here. You have need to put your stop loss here. Okay, this is your entry point, and you can see your stop loss is not hitting anywhere. Your stop loss will not hit. Okay, this is your entry. Okay, and after that you can see you got another sell entry, and this is your extra confirmation sell entry. So definitely you need to go for the sell position because the trend line is giving you extra confirmation. So you can see you can 3 to 4 profit book in a very small time. Okay, in very small time you are getting good profits. Okay, let me explain in these points. Okay, let's move further here. If we go further here, this candle, if we go like this one, this entry is perfectly okay. This entry is so much perfect, I do not need to discuss. I think this one, like this candle changes color, so you have to put your stop loss here, and you have to take your profit here. Again, this is your entry point, this candle, and this is your stop loss, and this is your take profit here. If you go further here, like this one, if you move further here, you can see no candle is touching to the upper band, lower band line, and here the candles are touching to the lower band. After that, this candle gave you the entry. Okay, this candle gave you entry, but you have need to watch the candle. Candle is so big, yes it is, and it is very close to the upper band line. So that is you have need to avoid this type of buy signal. But if you go for the entry, you can book your profit, a very small profit. Okay, but I will recommend to avoid this type of signals. Let me explain some other points here. Okay, no candle is touching to the upper band line. After that, you these candles are touching to the upper band line or almost upside from the upper band line. So this is your entry, this is your stop loss, a very small stop loss. You can see a very small stop loss, like your stop loss is here. Let me show you. Your stop loss is so small, like here. Okay, but here you have to watch it. This is your entry point, and your stop loss will not hit, and your take profit done. Here if you go for the buy entry, this is your very small profit, but you do not need to go for this type of signal. Okay, here you can see this is your entry point. Again, this is your stop loss, a very small stop loss, and you can see you are getting some good profit here. Okay, here you can see, let me explain. Here this candle is green now, so EMA turn to the green one. Okay, and this candle come upside from the EMA line. So this is your perfectly entry, but you can go for the buy entry from this point also. Okay, put your stop loss. You can see the both entry gives you some good profit here. Okay, let's move further, and I show you the results in some other pairs as well. Okay, because this strategy work on all pairs like Nasdaq, Nifty 50, whatever. Okay, it work on all pairs. Okay, Okay, now if we move further, let me show you here. Okay, this one, no candle touching to the upper band line, and after that this candles are touching to the upper band line. So this is your entry. Put your stop loss here on the previous high point, and you can see you got some amazing profit. Here you can see you got another entry and you got another profit. Okay, one more important thing here. I told you that, let me explain some more point. Let me explain some more point, a very important point actually. Here you can see if you go for the buy entry, okay, that is also fine, that is fine, you can go for the buy entry. But I just like I told you, if you go for the buy entry, you have need to put your stop loss on the previous low point, like this one is your stop loss. Okay, let me explain. This one is your stop loss. Okay, after that you can see your stop loss is hit here. So how you can avoid this type of false stop loss do not hit your stop loss will not hit if you will go for the extra confirmation, like if your candle is white one. Okay, this is your extra confirmation. If the candle is green white one, then that is your extra confirmation. Let me explain some other point here. The all candles are fine, but this candle is, you can see, after you can go for the sell entry, that's fine, but I will recommend to go for the extra confirmation signals type, like here. If you go for, if you move further here, let me show you some more important point here. Where we was around, let me show you here. Here you can see all candles are white one, that's mean that is actually a buy trend. Okay, you can see all green, and this one is white one and change. You can go for the sell trade, that's fine. If you go, if you follow only this one, do not, if you did not notice the candle color, that's actually fine. Okay, but uh, that candle is your extra confirmation and it will never give you loss. If the candle is blue one, that's mean that is your extra confirmation and you do not need to worry about anything. Okay, just put your stop loss and it will give you more profit. Let me show you more one some more points here. If you move here, like candles are white one, that's mean that is a buy trend, so that's fine. And there is a trend lines are also white one, so that is your more confirmation. And it give you you have to put your stop loss, and here you can see another buy entry, and you can shift your stop loss from this point to this point, and after that you can see another buy entry. Your stop loss now, stop loss was there, now your stop loss shift here, and now after that your stop loss move here, and after that you can see you got your profit here. Okay, that is awesome. Okay, if you want to see the results in bank nifty or some other pairs like Nasdaq, I will show you. Here you can see this is your entry point. Okay, but that is extra confirmation is like, let me show you here, this is your extra confirmation point. Okay, the buy entry, and you can see it, this is your awesome extra confirmation trade and you got amazing profit. Okay, let's move further. This is your now type of our trades, because the EMA line is very close to the middle line, so it's not giving you the some much confirmation, so that is not our type of trades. We are looking for the trades when the EMA crossing the lower band line, that will give you the exactly pivot points, like here. Okay, you can see this is your entry point, more confirmation signal, but you can go for the buy trade from these candles. Okay, put your stop loss here, and you can see you got some amazing profit. Okay, that is actually awesome strategy, and you will definitely will get profit all the time if you follow this one. Okay, let's move further, and I have need to show you results in some other pairs. Like this is was not entry because getting sell signal, and after that no, not our type of trades. Okay, this is our type of trade, this is our type of trade. Okay, and this is our type of trade. Okay, and this is our type of trade, this one, two buy trades. Okay, and you can see you got amazing profit. Okay, this is amazing profit, EMS strategy, and it's work 100%. Okay, and let me show results in some other pair like GPV USD. Okay, if we move further here, and you can see this is a sell trade. Okay, and you got some amazing profit here. Okay, if you go for this point or this point, two sell trades, and all the both one are profitable. Here you can see the buy trade, and you got some amazing profit. Okay, it's work on all pairs. Okay, let me show you in this one. You can see amazing profit, amazing one. Okay, this one is amazing, another profit, amazing, another profit. This one is another amazing profit. You are getting consistent profit all the time. Okay, in the NQ, here you can see this one sell trade, and you got amazing profit. This is buy trade, and you got amazing profit. Okay, this is your buy trade, and you got amazing profit. Okay, all the time you are getting some good profit. Like here you can see buy trade. Okay, like here you can see the buy trade. Okay, and this buy trade give you awesome profit. Okay, I show you the all results, and hopefully you will love it. And if you need my indicators, I show you, let me show you. These are my all point script, and if you need my indicator, you can contact me. Let me show you my contact details. If you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram, and simple hoga one, write one at the end must. Okay, because there are some fake Telegram channels, and you do not need to join fake Telegram channels. And Gmail, simple hoga @gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Okay, I think I gave you the all details, and from A to Z I give you the details, and hopefully now you will not get lost in your trades. Okay, at the end of the day, hopefully you will get some good profit. Okay, and any further query you can ask me on my WhatsApp number, Telegram, or simpleog@gmail.com. Also remember there, if you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember write one at the end must. Okay. Okay, I think I gave you the all details. Any further query you can ask me. Must like my video, must subscribe my channel, and okay, I think I gave you the all details. Hopefully you will must like my video, must subscribe my channel. For the next video, bye bye, take care.